DriveSafe is a platform, diagnostic platform designed specifically for the collision industry. Vehicle comes in, once an RO is open, we're able to put into the DriveSafe our RO number, as well as our odometer, whether or not there were any deployments. We can select an insurance company, and once we create a job, that job now stays with that VIN. The DriveSafe really has full versatility within the shop would need. Aftermarket scanning, built-in tool for the shop to be able to perform their own diagnostics, whether that's just reading and clearing codes or if they wanted to dive deeper. Also have the opportunity to submit a request to have a remote technician be able to assist. So also on the DriveSafe is the ADAS checklist. So really exciting at SEMA, we're demonstrating the ADAS map integration into the ADAS checklist. So QuickADAS is really on tool, a quick, easy access into the calibration function that needs to be performed. So whether that's a static calibration or dynamic calibration, the user is able to use repair procedures to understand exactly what's required and complete it. So at that time, they're able to document the calibration that occurred by selection on the screen, whether it was successful or if other work needs to be completed. DriveSafe with QuickADAS as well as remote assisted ADAS calibrations work with all targeting systems. If you want to find more information about DriveSafe or QuickADAS or any of our products that we're talking about at SEMA this year, please go to opusivs.com.